the river hasn't dropped that much since we were here last, about another 300-400 millimeters. You can see it on that side though, and that's what we're here for now. Right, there's a heavy storm inbound, so we don't have much time, but we're here to quickly check on Baboon Island. Of course, that after all those comments is going to be what we are going to check. As far as I can make out, the inhabitants of Baboon Island is there. And I'm covered in midges. There's one in the tree there in the middle of screen, running away from the drone, it seems. That's Baboon Island. It's quite a big island. There's a lot to eat there. They're running on the island between the trees. And the rain is inbound. You can see in the distance there. Just look. Just pause. Look on that mountain. The rain hitting. So I don't want to keep the drone in the air anymore, because in a minute or two the wind is going to hit us, strong wind. There's the drone inbound. Right, that's going to be it. The rain is on its way, we have to run. Looks like Milo is already scampered down to the jeep. I mentioned to him something about carrying the camera for me down, but he mumbled something about not injuring the talent of the show, and then he was off. Looks like he's trying to apologize for leaving me up there. He realized he couldn't drive the jeep home on his own because I have the keys in my pocket. Hold on tight now. We're lucky we caught a break in the middle of the clouds. See that break in the clouds? We were lucky we caught that. That dark mesh there, that cloud, dark cloud, that's where we just were, on that mountain. You would get a good shower doing that. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.